$237. Yikes! That's how much mystery meat I just found in the freezer. As a busy Gen X mom, I'd grocery shop, then 1 week later forget half the food was in the back of the freezer. Money wasted, time wasted. So I built a plan, a 28-day meal prep system that guarantees you save time, save money, and never play freezer roulette again. I'm talking budget breakdown, bulk buys, label hacks. Future you will gloat every time you open the fridge kind of stuff. If you're tired of meal prep feeling like another full-time job and want dinner to just work, I've got you. Tap link in bio. Future you will thank you.